And I believe this is rather going to be additional oil on the fire. But the point we like to make here, and I think that is important, is that movements like Solidarity and others are in many ways moderate. You can sit around the table and discuss problems with them in a constructive way. They are very much against corruption. They are against the failure of the state. In fact, they created their own prosecution authority where the National Prosecution Authority has failed. So I think in a way, and I'm seeing it that way, is that there's a lot of positive in what Solidarity are doing at this point. It's not all negative. In that sense, I disagree with the 40 people. But then again, and I will make the point again, is that I think we need a national solution for a national problem. And the Afrikaner group and their challenges is part of that. I think we can find some unique solutions for the Afrikaner, but it is within the context of national interest. And here we need to rebuild the state. We need to get the economy to grow. We need to safeguard our borders. We need to work with the 5 million, more or less, illegal immigrants. We need to deal with the up to 60% completely failed municipalities in the country, endemic systemic corruption ending up in state capture. And now we have this criminal element that is becoming part of the system. We need a complete cleanup situation. That is the bigger problem, not the Afrikaner issue per se.